We're going to use the library. We're going to use the dependencies. Library is the version, Cypress, Cypress file uploader, Fake.js, Cypress, Mocha awesome reporter. These are the one version we always ask in the interview to make sure what you know. Let's go continue. And necessary command to use Cypress. Let's go continue. So install Cypress for a project. Look at this. Opening a Cypress test runner. This is the command. Running the test at the headlessly. This is the command. Run a specific test file headlessly. Headless means you will not see the UI. The GUI you can run two ways. One is you can see it. Another is you don't see it. Backend you never see it. It's all at the headless. Generate the Mocha awesome reports. That's the command. So these are the command you have to do day-to-day basis while you are developing, debugging, and executing your test automation using Cypress. Go next.